Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And yes, today we are filming from the office. In today's video, we are going to be going over how I managed to pass the FTMO challenge in just one day. But before we get into that, why did I do the FTMO challenge? Well, many of our students in 24-Hour Trading Academy are doing the FTMO challenge. Some of them have already passed the challenge, whereas others are still in the process. Now that I have also completed the challenge, I'll be able to help everyone else pass the challenge as well. And you might be thinking, how the hell did I pass it in just one day? Well, I'll show you a screenshot of the email that FTMO sends you when you first sign up. I'll also mark up the timestamp of when I received that email. It was actually yesterday morning at 7:30 a.m. from the top of my head. And the first trade that was placed was around 9 a.m. and shortly I'll break down my log. But why did I do it in one day? What was the reason behind that? Well, yes, I could have taken much longer to complete the challenge, but the opportunities were there. Halfway through the day, I was nearly 50% done. So I thought, you know what, let's go for the target. Let's see if I can try it in one day. Worst case scenario, I would still be in a positive for the day. So let's get into the logs. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. So here is the FTMO log that FTMO provides you when you first sign up and you create your account. So what we have here is the equity curve, and this curve shows your balance each time you win or lose a trade. And the first few trades that I took, the second trade really, I was actually down by 0.5% on my account before I managed to pull that back up in the third and fourth trade. And by halfway through the day, roughly around 13-14 trades in, I was about 4% up on my capital. I was planning to call it a day here and just trade out for the next few days, but I saw some really good opportunities which I'll run through in a minute. And by the end of the day, roughly around 7 p.m. is where I hit that 10% mark with a total of 24 trades taken. Still got to complete my minimum days. I need to place one trade each day, and I can just do a really low lot size, 0.01 maybe, and just try to get over that 10 days mark. Down here in the daily summary where we have 19th of October, 24 trades taken, a total of 108 lots used, and a total profit of £10,001.77 or dollars. And then today I placed another trade of 0.01 just to sort of get those days in. And here is the trading journal that FTMO provides you. I will be showing you guys my personal log as well, my personal trading log. The reason why I log it separately is so I can log it in a lot more detail with screenshots, and then I can evaluate the trades that I took by the end of the day. The ones that hit profit, why did they hit profit, what was the reasoning behind those, and the ones that hit stop loss, what was the reasoning behind the ones that hit stop loss, so I can always learn from my mistakes. And down here we just have some more figures of the type of currencies that I traded. Mostly it was GBP, gold and euro. USD I think I only took one trade on that. But let's head over to our personal FTMO log for the 19th of October. I've taken a total of 24 trades. Out of those 24 trades, I took roughly 10 gold trades and 10 GBP USD trades, mainly focusing on those two currencies. And if you have watched my last video, I did mention that gold and GBP USD are the most volatile pairs that you can trade. And the first trade was taken about 8:39 a.m. In the morning, and it was a huge loss that I took on gold, a total loss of 0.72%. This is where psychology comes into play. The first trade that you've taken hits a loss. Many people here will probably give up and call it a day and say, okay, you know what, I'm probably going to trade tomorrow because today I started off on a loss. I can't afford to lose more, and so on. And I managed to recover that huge loss, 5 trades in by GBP USD and gold, which I managed to make a total of $840. And shortly I'll be running over some of these trades that gave me that huge boost to my capital, which helped me hit my target in one day, which was this gold trade that I sold from 1911, and this GBP USD trade down here, which I sold again from around 1.3 1.300. By the end of the day, I had taken a total of 24 trades with a total of 237 pips positive and 61 pips negative. So in total, I managed to complete this challenge in about 175 pips. Now this was due to the lot size that I was using. If I was using a much lower lot size, let's say 2 lots or 3 lots, then I would probably need a lot more pips for me to complete this challenge. Total wins were 21, total losses were 3, and my overall success rate based on the wins and losses was 87.5, and net profit was £10,002. And here are some of the biggest trades that I took yesterday. The first trade was GBP USD. I took 2 trades on this one scenario, and I actually posted this scenario on TradingView as well. For those of you that follow me on TradingView, you may have seen this scenario posted. And here we have the key levels for GBP USD. Currently the market is sitting at one of my key levels of 1.3000, and if I play this, you can see GBP USD had a massive drop from that level, came down to one of my second key levels where it had a bit of a reversal from of roughly around 30 pips before it headed all the way down, a total drop of around 90 pips. However, I cashed these trades out early, one TP at 23 pips and the second TP at 31 pips. And this was one of the last trades that I took of the day at 5:03 p.m. a total percentage growth of 2.7% from this trade alone. Then we have the second biggest trade of the day, which was gold. This one I didn't post on TradingView, and this trade was based off these previous highs here where the market broke through, retested these previous highs. This trade was taken on the 15-minute time frame, and the risk to reward here was about 1 to 2. TP1 was closed at 11 pips and TP2 was closed at 26 pips, a total gain of 1.87% from this trade alone. And last but not least, another gold trade. This trade was the biggest loss that I took on the day, and this was one of the first trades that I took at 8:30 a.m. Market formed these highs, came back up to these highs where I placed a sell. Although it went into about a 15-20 pip profit, it did reverse and hit my SO, total off of 0.72%. And here we have USD CAD. So this was one of the trades that I had posted on TradingView. This wasn't a trade that I actually took myself because I managed to complete the target without this trade, but I just want to show you how well this trade actually played out. So here we have another one of my key levels marked up, a break and retest of these previous highs, and the market respected that level really well, went all the way up to my second key area where it's currently rejecting. Had a bit of a drop there, but now we can possibly expect USD CAD to drop all the way down. And I'll show you guys some of the other trades that I had posted on the day as well. So start from here, Euro USD, a really nice trade posted, broke one of my key levels here, retested that level, and now currently approaching this next level up here, expecting a possible drop. We have AUD USD, a nice break retest of this key area, had a massive drop down of roughly around 80 pips. And if you guys don't follow me on TradingView, put my TradingView link in the description so you guys can also check my trades out. I hope you all enjoyed today's video on how I managed to pass the FTMO challenge in just one day with some of the trades that I had taken and some of the trades that I had posted on TradingView. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below if you think I should go for my next FTMO challenge and try to hit 3 FTMO challenges. But make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.